Fitting the vise came to an abrupt halt last time when I had a slight accident. Now it's time to finish it all off. So, job done. Took longer than I thought because of that accident I had and the welding I had to do, plus being a dreadful welder. But anyway, managed to get that done. It's all installed now, working wonderfully. I drilled a dog hole in the front face of the vise and a couple across the bench, so that's even more useful now.